Good morning, my dear students. So today we will learn how we can divide 3-digit number without regrouping. Okay, so suppose we need to divide 534 by 4. Okay, so we'll make the box, right? First of all, we'll write the dividend. So our dividend is 534, and now we'll write the divisor, that is 4. Okay, so in order to divide 3-digit number, first of all we'll see the 100 place value. So we'll start dividing the number from this place. Okay, now we'll compare these two numbers. So 4 is smaller than 5. Our divisor is smaller than 5, right? So now we'll take only 5. Okay, if our divisor will be bigger than 5, then we'll take two numbers, right? But in this case 4 is smaller than 5. So we'll now recall the multiplication table of 4 and we'll see 5 is there or not. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now 8 is greater than 5. So we'll take 4 ones are 4. Now we'll do subtraction. So 5 minus 4, 1. Now this 3, it will comes down. Okay, this 4, it will be stay there. At one time only one number will come down. Okay, so now 13 is there. So we'll recall the multiplication table of 4. 13 is there or not. If 13 is not there, we'll see the number that is lesser than 13. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Now 16 is bigger than 13, right? So we'll take 4 threes are 12. Again we'll do subtraction. Here we'll get 1. Now this 4 will comes down. Okay, so now we'll write 4. Okay, every step one number will comes down. Okay, so 14 is there. So now we'll check the multiplication table of 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Now 16 is bigger than 14, right? So we'll take 4 threes are 12. Now we'll do subtraction. So now as we can see, we get 2, right? Now this number is smaller than our divisor. That means what? Our division is completed. So now our quotient is what? 133, and our remainder is what? 2. Okay, this is how we have to divide any 3-digit number without regrouping. Okay, so we'll start dividing any number from 100 place value. Okay, so now we'll discuss how we can divide any 3-digit number with regrouping. So suppose we have to divide 132 by 2. Okay, so now we'll make the box, and now we'll write the dividend, that is 132, and here we'll write the divisor, that is 2. Now we'll start comparing the number that is in 100 place. Okay, so we'll compare the divisor with the number that is in 100 place. Now 2 is the divisor and in 100 place 1 is there. Okay, 1 is there, right? So now 2 is greater than 1, right? So if our divisor is greater, we'll take two numbers in dividend. That means along with 1, or I can say along with the 100 place, we'll take the tens place also. So now we'll see these two number, that is 13. Okay, so now in multiplication table of 2, 13 is there or not? So if 13 is not there, we'll take the number that is lesser than 13. So we know that 2 6 are 12, right? 2 7s are 14. Now 14 is greater than 13, so we'll write 2 6 are 12, right? Now we'll do subtraction. 3 minus 2, it will be 1, and this number it will come down, right? Now see, 12 is there. So now in multiplication table of 2, 12 is there or not? Yes, it is, right? So 2 6 are 12. So our remainder is what? 0. So here our quotient is what? 66, and our remainder is what? 0. Okay, so always remember, if our divisor is greater than the number that is in 100 place, okay, in dividend part, we'll take two numbers. Okay, we'll see two numbers. Okay, so I hope that you have understood about the dividing any 3-digit number with or without regrouping. Okay, so now we'll see some questions that are given in your book. Okay, now my dear students, see page number 145, exercise 6. So see the first one. So our dividend is what? 284, and our divisor is what? 2. So now we'll compare the divisor with the number that is in 100 place. Okay, so 2 is there in the 100 place and 2 is the divisor, so both are equal. So we'll take only one number, that means we'll divide the 100 place value first, and then the tens place value, and then the ones place value. So 2 ones are 2, we know this one, right? So now we'll subtract these two number. So 2 minus 2 will get 0, and this 8, it will be there, right? So now in multiplication table of 2, 8 is there or not? So 2 4s are 8, right? Again we'll get 0, and now this 4 will comes down, right? First of all this 8, then this 4. Okay, so now in multiplication table of 2, 4 is there or not? Yes, it is, right? So 2 2s are 4. Now we got 0, so remainder is less than the divisor, that means our division is what? Completed. So now our quotient is what? 142, and our remainder is what? 0. Okay, now see next one. So our dividend is what? 345, and our divisor is what? 5. Now we'll compare the divisor with the number that is in 100 place value. So we'll compare first of all the dividend and divisor, but in dividend we'll see first of all the 100 place value. So divisor is 5, and in dividend part the number that is in 100 place value is what? 3, right? Our number is 345. This one is ones, tens, 100. So in 100 place value 3 is there. So if we compare 5 and 3, 5 is greater than 3, right? So if divisor is greater than the dividend, right, the number that is in 100 place, then In that condition, what we will do? We'll take two numbers together. That means we'll divide not only 3 but with 4 we will divide. That means our number is what? 34. You get it? So we'll not see only 3, we'll see the two numbers, that is 3 and 4, 34. Okay, so now we'll recall the multiplication table of 5 and we'll see 34 is there or not. So can you tell me 34 is there or not? No, right? So which number you will get in multiplication table of 5 which is less than 34? 30, right? So 5 6 are 30, because 5 7 are 35, which is greater than 34. Now we'll do subtraction. So this 4, it will comes here, right? Now this 5, it will drop here. Now our number is what? 45. 5 9s are 45, and now we got what? 0. So our answer is what? 69. Remainder is what? 0. Okay. Okay, now see second part. So here also we have to divide these numbers. Okay, so see the first one, dividend is what? 396 and divisor is what? 3. Now we'll compare these two numbers. So both are equal, so we can divide. Okay, if the divisor part will be the greater one, then we have to take two numbers, right, in dividend part. So now 3 ones are 3. After subtracting these two, we'll get 0, and this 9, it will drop here. Now we know that in multiplication table of 3, we will get 9. But when we will multiply 3 with 3, 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9. Again we'll do subtraction. Again we'll get 0. Now this 6, it will drop here. So 6 will be here, right? Now 3 2s are 6. We know this one, right? So 6 minus 6, it will be 0. So our question will be what? 132, and our remainder will be what? 0. Okay. Now see B part. Dividend is 646 and divisor is 2. First of all, we'll see this place value, right? 6 is there. Now this number is greater than the divisor, so we'll take only this number. We'll divide first of all this number. So 2 3s are 6. After subtracting, we'll get 0, and this 4, it will now come here, right? Now 2 2s are 4. Again we'll subtract, and again we'll get 0. Now this 6, it will comes here, right? Now 2 3s are 6. Again we'll subtract and we'll get 0. So our question will be what? 323, and our remainder will be what? 0. Okay. So my dear students, you have to practice this one. You have to divide these numbers. Rest of it, that is from C to I. Okay. These questions you have to do in your classwork copy. So my dear students, if you have any doubt regarding how to divide 3-digit number with or without regrouping, you can ask me. Okay. So that's all for today. Just do this one nicely in your copy, okay? Recall all the multiplication table. Remember, first of all, you have to compare divisor with the number that is in 100 place value. Okay, so dividend and divisor, this one you have to compare, but in dividend you have to compare first of all the 100 place value. If the 100 place value is smaller than the divisor, then you have to make it bigger, right? So how you will make it bigger? You will take the tens place value also. Okay, now after taking the tens place value, the number will be the greater one. Okay, and if the number is greater one, you can divide that one. Okay.